Good day, learners. Again, this is your teacher, Sir Mulan, and welcome to a new video tutorial on Mathematics 9, particularly kung saan nanggaling yung quadratic formula na x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that formula nanggaling siya kay quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is denoted by ax squared plus bx plus c. And prove natin that the quadratic formula really comes from the quadratic equation. Okay, so let's start with quadratic equation, and that would be ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And first step, transpose natin si c to the other side of the equal sign. So we have ax squared plus bx is equals to si c before malipat, before my transpose from positive magiging negative. Next step is to divide everything by a. Ang main reason kung bakit we need to divide um, all terms by a para yung coefficient ni leading term, which is x squared, is equals to 1. Bakit? Para makapag-perform tayo ng completing the square. Now, let's rewrite. We have x squared plus b over a, x is equals to negative c over a. And pag nag-complete tayo ng square, maglalaan tayo ng space dito. Plus yung is equals to negative c over a. Kung anong idadagdag sa kaliwang side of the equal sign, siya ring idadagdag sa kanan para maging balanse. And the formula for this is this coefficient of the second term, which is b over a. So this one, b over a, will be divided by 2. And ito pala yung parang ito yung a is equals to b and yung c. Yung c yung solve natin. C is denoted by the formula b over 2 squared. And our p is b over a all over 2 and square natin siya. And parang fraction divided by another fraction. Kasi 2 is actually a fraction whose denominator is equals to 1. And pag nag-divide tayo ng fraction, we follow yung acronym na KCF. K stands for keep the dividend, and that is B over A. C is change the operation from division to multiplication. Then F stands for flip. Flip natin yung divisor or yung denominator. Babalik ta rin lang. Si 2 nasa taas dati, magiging sa baba na siya. And yung 1 na nasa denominator, magiging ng numerator. And squared natin. Then multiply lang natin lahat ng numerator. B times 1 is B. And A times 2 is 2A. And of course, square pa rin natin siya. Tandaan tong value ito because we're going to use that value later pag finactor na natin yung perfect square trinomial. Alright, yan yung purpose why we perform completing the square so that we would arrive or magkaroon tayo ng perfect square trinomial, and by laws of exponents, para lang siyang a over b raised to n, equal siya kay n pala siya, a raised to n over b raised to n. Same with this. Bigay siyang b squared all over 2 squared a squared. So the value of c is equals to b squared. Simplify natin si 2 squared and that would be 4a squared. So rewrite natin ang na-obtain natin na perfect square trinomial. And that would be x squared plus b over ax plus b squared all over 4a squared is equals to negative c over a plus kung anong dinagdag sa kaliwa, siya rin idadagdag sa kanan since equal nga sila para mabalanse. Then, the left-hand side of the equal sign, ipa-factor natin siya. So, x plus itong value ito, b over 2a times the same value, b over 2a. And sa kanan, we're going to add dissimilar fraction. And dissimilar because magkaiba yung denominator. And the LCD of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. So 4a squared, the LCD divided by the original denominator. Let's use this as our scratch, this area. So LCD 4a squared divided by the original denominator. So cancel, matitira is 4a. To be multiplied kay numerator na si negative c times yung quotient ni LCD at ni original denominator plus LCD pa rin 4a squared divided by the original denominator which is also 4a squared kaya pag dinivide mo siya equals na sa kay 1 to be multiplied kay original numerator which is b squared times 1. And yung left-hand side ng equal sign can be simplified to this x plus b over 2a, parenthesis natin, then squared natin. And the sum of the dissimilar fraction earlier, simplify natin to. Negative c times 4a, we have negative 4ac plus b squared times 1 is equals to b squared all over 4a squared. Then our next step is arrange natin yung numerator. The numerator of the right-hand side of the equal sign, rewrite natin to. Pagpalit lang natin, b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Then our next step is to take the square root of both sides. Kasi ang hahanapin natin is yung value ni x. And para ma-extract natin si x, tatanggalin natin lahat ng kasama niya. Unang tatanggalin sa exponent. Kaya natin, we take the square root of both sides. And yung right-hand side of the equal sign, sa radical, parang galon siya. Yung numerator over denominator is equals lang siya sa square root of the numerator all over square root of the denominator. That's why, simplify na natin or rewrite natin, x plus b over 2a is equals to square root ng numerator all over square root ng denominator. Notice that yung denominator na square root of 4a squared, pwede natin siyang i-extract yung roots. So 4 can be represented in exponential form. 2 squared. Then pwede na siyang gawin na 2 squared times a squared. And notice na magka-cancel lang si exponent na 2 at si radical symbol 2 at radical symbol. So matitira 2 times A. 2 times A is equals to 2A. So rewrite natin ulit. That would be x plus b over 2A is equals to, since in-extract na natin tong denominator, magkakaroon na siya ng plus or minus b squared minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then, next step, since we are solving for x, i-isolate natin si x on one side of the equal sign. That's why we have to transpose this to the other side of the equal sign. Kaya, ang mangyayari is x is equals to, so from positive magiging negative b all over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And notice that we are adding or subtracting similar fraction. Ayan o. Adding or subtracting similar fraction. Similar fraction pag pareho yung denominator. So, rewrite natin dito. We have x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this formula is now our quadratic formula na nanggaling sa quadratic equation. Voila! That's all for today. Sana may natutunan.